Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to find someone using their phone number on Instagram, and basically just how to find their profile if you don't know what their username is. It's really simple and easy to do. So all you have to do is head over to Instagram and open up the application. Once you're on Instagram, you have two options that you can do. You can go over to your profile, then go up to the top right corner and click on the three lines. Then you have to click on Discover People, and you'll have two options at the top, Connect to Facebook or Connect Contacts. You want to click on Connect Contacts, so you're just going to click on Connect. Then it's going to ask you to allow access. You can do that and if you would like to. And then it will say Contacts Connected. It will then connect all your contacts to your Instagram. Then you can go ahead and follow them. It will show you the list of people that you can go ahead and add. Now, another way that you guys can do it is if you just go up to the top corner again and click on Settings. Then you can go to Follow and Invite Friends up at the very top. And then here you can click on Invite Friends by SMS. It will then type up like a text for you to send out, and then you can go ahead and send it to the number that you want to send it to. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys two different options to find people with their phone numbers on Instagram. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.